Hello my lovelies, I hope you are doing great. So in this video we are going to solve for this problem where we need to calculate the red region area. We are given with this figure where we do have two squares, these are the two squares, and we do have one right angle triangle, and we are given with this side length of this square and this side of the right angle triangle. Now using this much information we are going to solve for this red region area. So let's get started and see how we're gonna do that. We have this figure, and in this figure if I'll focus on this square, so as it is a square all of its side must be equal, so this side length must also be 3. Now let's just name this side length as x. Now considering this triangle, as this is a right angle triangle, we can use the Pythagorean theorem and we can solve for the value of x. So using the Pythagorean theorem, I'll be getting x square is equal to 3 root 3 square plus 3 square, which on simplification will give me x square is equal to 27 plus 9, and therefore x is going to be root of 36. So the value of x is going to be 6. Now as this is 6, so this side length is going to be 6. Now see, this is a square, right? So all of its side must be equal. So if this side length is 6, so this side is also going to be 6. Now coming back to this triangle again, let's just name this angle as theta. Now we are going to calculate the value of this theta. Considering the ratio of opposite to the adjacent side, we'll get tan theta is equal to 3 root 3 upon 3, which on simplification will give me tan theta as root 3. Now we know that tan 60 degree has a value of root 3, therefore comparing both sides, I'll be getting the value of theta as 60 degree. So we got the value of theta as 60 degree. Now focusing on the square, we know that all of the corner angle of the square are right angle, so we can mark these angles too as 90 degrees angle. Now we can solve for this angle, and using the complete angle property, we'll get the value of this angle as 120 degrees. Now let's just focus on the red triangle only. So we do have the two side length of the triangle and an angle included by those sides. Now using this much information, we are going to calculate the area of this triangle. Now we do have a formula for such cases which says area of such triangle is equal to half of the product of the side length into sine of the included angle by those sides. Now using this formula, we'll get the area of this red region as half into 6 into 3 into sine 120, and we know sine 120 is same as cos 30 degree. So substituting the value of sine 120, or we can say cos 30, we'll get this equation, which on simplification will give me the area of red region as 9 root 3 by 2 square units. So that's my answer for this question. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next one.